Okay, this morning we're going to be doing some repair work on this Atlas O-Scale 2 rail SD35. Now I bought this unit used off of eBay, and the rear coupler is half falling out of the box. The front coupler was broken off completely. I'll get you some close-ups here and I'll show you what I'm going to do with it. Okay, this unit was repaired before I got it. You can see the box is half falling apart. The coupler's coming out. The original Atlas coupler is missing. This is a Kadee replacement, and they only put it in with one screw right at the back there. It's just not enough to hold a Kadee in for long trains. It wobbles and the box is falling apart, and it sticks out. Okay, before I move on to that other end, where everything's taken apart, I'm going to show you. Now first you have this plate here. Okay, this is the lower plate, and the two holes there, the brake lines go through those holes. Now this mounts on with two very short screws that go here and here. Once you pull that off, you have access to the mounting plate for the coupler. That's two longer screws there and there. Okay, the screw in the middle is the one they put in. This used to hold the old Atlas coupler. Now they've got this Kadee. Okay, this is the other end of the unit. I've already got it detached. Here's the plate I was talking about. That would go right through there. And then the coupler mounting box goes right down into there. Okay, this is the pilot. Now this was broken in a couple different spots when I got it. You can see the Kadee coupler mounted in there. And here's from the top, and here's from the bottom. You can see. Now, from the top, as you'll see it, okay, the front of the Kadee box is flush with the red existing piece on the pilot. So this Kadee coupler has been pushed back into the car about 3/8 half inch. Okay, now this white block I've added on. Okay, I just cut up, I didn't have any thick styrene, so I used 3 pieces of 040 and glued those together. Okay, when you push the Kadee coupler in, the back of the Kadee coupler comes past the existing part that Atlas puts there. So I glued this 3 thicknesses of 40, so 120 block back onto the back of the coupler. Then I drilled a hole through that. So we got a flush mount coupler. It's got 2 screws, it won't fall apart. Now the one other issue is that the Atlas coupler boxes are wider than the Kadees. Okay, so you'll have to do a little, or you don't have to. Now I may put some shims in here just to make sure we don't have any sliding, but it looks pretty steady with the 2 screws. I don't think I need to. The only issue other than that is on the back of the big plate. This is really hard to show. Okay, if you can see the screws, that front screw that I put into the Kadee coupler, this screw right here at the end of my thumb, this screw at the end of my thumb, as you can see, it's halfway under the Atlas piece here, which is the front plate, so you can't cut this off. But only this side shows. So what you can do is go in from the back, and I took an X-Acto knife and just scooped out enough material on the back side so that I could get the head of that 256 screw in. I used 3/8 256. Well, here's the final product. I've got both couplers repaired. We're actually looking at the front, but you'll see this, well, you'll see it on my Thanksgiving video. I'll do my yearly train run. So I will see you all then. I hope this helps. Mike out.